Welcome back to the channel Shacks. If you've just joined, this channel is all about wrapping and detailing content. In today's video, we'll be protecting our own car for the winter using Michelin King products. We've got Pure, which is a pre-wax cleanser, then we'll be applying Titan on top, which is a high gloss sealant. Then we'll be finishing it off with two waxes. One half of the car will be Monarch, another half will be Prototype 1 wax. Both wax contain 50% T1 grade Canuba wax content in each pot. I'd like to thank John very much for sending out the two waxes. I'll put a link in the description below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content from us. First off, this isn't a paid promotion or sponsored in any way. It's just my experience that I'd like to share with you, and I highly recommend you order from Michelin King. From replacing an order to receiving the products was an exceptional service. Anyways, we will now focus on the video with the products used by starting off with Pure, a pre-wax cleanser. The car had been all washed, decontaminated and clayed before applying Pure. I thought the paint was clean after I clayed the paintwork. Pure really takes having a clean paintwork to the next level. If you have any swirls or scratches, this product really helps to clean out all the contaminants where your clay bar or your clay mitt can't reach. I thought I'd use my dual action polisher with a microfiber pad on the larger areas and a smaller microfiber pad by hand on smaller areas. I was amazed how well this product works by hand and by machine. I set my machine to minimum to spread, then turned it up to speed 5 to work the product in. I highly recommend this product to anyone, whether you're just wanting to look after your paintwork right through to the professionals. I feel this is the best pre-wax cleanser on the market. It leaves a silky smooth feel to the area that I've worked on. It's so easy to apply and to remove. Pure is a must-have product. The paint is now fully cleaned of any remaining contaminants. We now move on to applying Titan, which is a high gloss sealant. This sealant is such a great product to work with. I apply the product onto applicator pad. Little amount really does go a long way and it's so easy to spread. Instead of applying panel by panel, I decided to apply Titan onto the full car as I was starting to fight against the rain. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It was a light rain and luckily it passed over. When buffing off, as you can see, it left a high gloss finish. I was totally blown away with the gloss Titan created on the paintwork. Pure and Titan, what a combination. This is a must-have product. You will need to try it for yourselves to witness the results in person. I will guarantee you, you won't look back after trying this combination. This is the most exciting part for me, trying out Michelin King waxes. For a good few years I've always wanted to try out Michelin King wax as I've heard and seen many positive results, and now, thank you to John, I have that opportunity to be able to experience it for myself. I will begin with Monarch, applying the wax onto the driver's side of the car as we are doing a 50-50 comparison. This wax is so easy to work with, a little goes a long way and it spreads like butter onto the paintwork. 2 or 3 swipes with an applicator pad is all you need per panel. It's got more of a natural wax scent in the pot. And now we move on to the final wax, Prototype 1. Same as Monarch, it was so easy to apply onto the paintwork. We will apply it onto the passenger side. Went round applying the wax onto half the car was a breeze. This wax doesn't contain any silicone, it's all natural. Both waxes doesn't take long to cure, about 5 minutes or less if you're applying it outdoor. When buffing off the wax, it was really easy. It did not feel grabby at all, revealing that nice luster finish on the paint. If you have a metallic paint, it will definitely make the flakes pop. Even on a dull day, I noticed the metallic flakes standing out a lot more prominent. Imagine what it will be like during a nice sunny summer's day when the sun is hitting the paintwork. This I will need to try for when the summer weather comes back. Keep an eye out for this future content. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. It was the same with Prototype 1, revealing that nice luster finish on the paintwork when buffing it off. This is the final result using Pure, Titan and then 2 waxes, Monarch and Prototype 1, all from Michelin King. I highly recommend all the products used in this video. The result really speaks for itself and must be witnessed in person. Came the next day and it started to rain, and thought I'd record and show you the difference in the beads between the 2 wax. Left side has Monarch and the right is coated with Prototype 1. I can see both waxes really have bloomed the next day as the paintwork has gone even glossier. Prototype 1 wax produces a tighter bead. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. I'll leave a link to the products used in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It will really help us out in continuing sharing our passion for you to watch, and once again, thank you very much to John for the opportunity to witness in person how great your wax is.